Hi guys, welcome to Oliveboard YT channel. Let's discuss English practice question of the day. So we have a connector question today. Pause the video and try. Now in this question, there is a sentence given and there are possible starters given through which we can begin the statement. Starter means beginner, right? So the first few words of the sentence with which we can possibly start, right? So which starters are grammatically correct and will give exactly the same meaning as this original sentence you have to find out. So terrible was the earthquake that all the skyscrapers, which means the very tall buildings in the locality, were completely ruined, means destroyed. Okay, ruined means destroyed. So we are giving a reason. Yeah, these buildings were destroyed because of the earthquake. Earthquake was that terrible, that bad. Now, none of the locality, none will not make sense here. So first I will cancel B, right? Here, owing to the intensity, and the intensity of the earthquake was so high that, can I continue my statement? Yes, very conveniently. All the skyscrapers in the locality were completely ruined, right? So that for reason is already mentioned and it is correct. Okay, so C is definite answer. Now B, either B or C, you will not mark this. Your correct answer will be only C. Owing to is a preposition which means because of. It is usually comes in the middle of the sentence and it is used before a noun phrase. So here more appropriate will be option number C. Will not start with owing to. Okay. So the intensity of the earthquake was so high that, and remember guys, here we are talking about intensity. So that as a grouping is also used. So high that all the skyscrapers. So we use so that, right, together to show to what extent we are showing, no, to what extent it was terrible, right? To what extent. So the correct answer will be option number 3, only C. Now starters, usually people have confusion. I have a badge on edge for connectors. Do check that out. Any query in this question, do mention in the comments below. Thank you.